In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, edit, and delete elements in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your website, including text, images, buttons, forms, galleries, and more. To add an element, simply drag the one you want from the left panel and drop it onto your page. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear. To edit an element, click directly on it. Depending on the element, you'll be able to change text, replace images, adjust settings, customize styles, or modify other options from the editing toolbar. If you want to move an element, click and drag it to a new location on the page. Weebly will highlight available drop zones to help you place it correctly. To delete an element, click or hover over it and select the delete or X option that appears. Confirm the action if prompted, and the element will be removed from your page. After you've finished making your changes, preview your website to make sure everything looks the way you want. Then click Publish to make your updates live. That's how to add, edit, and delete elements in Weebly. Thanks for watching.